Good morning, students. Today we will continue with our fifth chapter, Yoga. We have already covered meaning of yoga, and next topic is a importance of yoga. We have already covered 2-3 points. First is physical purity. सेकेंड इज क्योर एंड प्रिवेंशन फ्रॉम डिजीज़, हमें बीमारियों से कैसे बचाता है और हमारी इंटरनल हम प्योरिटी फिजिकल प्योरिटी कैसे कर सकते हैं. नाउ थर्ड इज रिड्यूस मेंटल टेंशन. हाउ वी कैन रिड्यूस आवर मेंटल टेंशन थ्रू योगा. Yoga can help in reducing tension. It is a well-known fact that most of the people remain under stress and tensions. They do not do yoga continuously. So they do not get peace anywhere, because in today's lifestyle, students, working hours is so long. Whole day people are working, and then they are getting money. They are thinking through the money they can bring happiness, peace of their life, but this is not true. Whole day they are upset, disturbed. So many tensions are there. They feel stressed. So इनको हटाने के लिए what we have to do? We have to do yoga. Particular asanas are there. They are helping to reduce mental tensions. कौन कौन से आसन हैं? मकरासन करके, शवासन, सालाभासन, सुप्तासन and भुजंगासन. They are beneficial for releasing stress and tension. Our fourth point is healthy body. In this lifestyle, we all want to get healthy body. Various yogic asanas are best suited to get rid of many health problems and to stay fit. To do yoga, we can stay fit, we can stay healthy, we can stay strong, re-energize, flexibility develop कर सकते हैं योगा से हम लोग. So all these things improve to get healthy body. Next is our fifth point, provides relaxation. Rest and relaxation are essential for removing fatigue. When we include in any physical or mental work, after some time we feel tired. If we are doing continuously work, after some time what we feel? We feel tired, because we have to sit at the same place for a long time. So we have to sometimes some works are totally on laptops. They also feel tired. So we can't do further work. If we are tired, we can't do more work. So we need relaxation. How we can do relax? To do shavasana and makrasan. They both are beneficial for relaxation. Padmasana and point is yoga maintain the correct posture of body. Nowadays, posture deformities are common in individuals. Without good posture, they are unable to do their work efficiently. They are not able to enjoy life. They usually put more energy in simple tasks. If we perform yogic asanas regularly, we can maintain the correct posture of our body. So many asanas are there. They help to make correct posture in our body, like Vajrasana, Mayurasana, Chakrasana, Bhujangasana, धनुरासन. इनसे हमारा पॉस्चर जो है, हमारी बैकबोन है, हमारे शरीर का जो भी पॉस्चर है सही रहता है. दे आर नॉट ओनली प्रिवेंट आसन्स बट yes, seventh point is yoga can be performed easily. In present day life, everybody seems in a hurry. Life has become so fast. So every individual complains of shortage of time to do an exercise other than yogic exercise requires through time and money, and yogic kriyas can be performed easily and anywhere. These exercises can be done in a short duration and are not expensive. These exercises can be performed in less space, like after if we don't have space, after lunch dinner we can sit and we can do Vrajrasan, or in the morning we can do the yoga on our bed. In a small place we can do any yoga. We don't need a big place, और है ना, ज़्यादा जगह में योगा के लिए नहीं चाहिए होती है. हम बैठ के खड़े होके एक जगह पे आराम से कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज spiritual development. Through the yoga we can be made to attain spiritual development. Spiritual development कर सकते हैं. We can have a good control on our mind or by doing regular yogic exercise. योगा करने से we can control our body or mind also. If our mind is pure, we can make effort to achieve spiritual height. Padmasana and Siddhasana are the best asanas for the spiritual development. These asanas, Padmasana or Siddhasana, they are the best asanas to spiritual development. These asanas enhance meditation power. Pranayam is also useful for spiritual development that brings peace in life. Students, when we start yoga, we start from the Om jap. हम हमारी लंबी सांस लेके ओम बोलते हैं. इससे क्या होता है, इंटरनल शांति मिलती है. हमारा माइंड जो है, वी फील पीस ऑफ माइंड. एक अंदरूनी शांति मिलती है, एक माइंड सेट हो जाता है हमारा योग करने के लिए. सो इट हेल्प टू डेवलप स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट. Is flexibility. Flexibility is significant for every person. It makes the movement of body efficient and graceful. It is also help in preventing sports injury. Various yogasana increase flexibility of body. कौन कौन से आसन है जो हेल्प करते हैं? चक्रासन, धनुरासन, हलासन, भुजंगासन and Salavasana are beneficial for the increasing flexibility. Even some asanas are to help increase our height, increase our stamina. So many asanas are there. They increase flexibility. Muscles also become flexible by performing these asanas. 10th is reduce obesity. Yoga help to reduce obesity. People fall prey to various disease. बहुत सारे मोटापे से में डिजीज होती हैं, बीमारियां हो जाती हैं. योगिक एक्सरसाइज कैन हेल्प इन रिड्यूसिंग ओबेसिटी. फॉर एग्जांपल, प्राणायाम एंड स्पेशली मेडिटेटिव आसन्स रिड्यूस ओबेसिटी. They have shown that obesity is also caused by mental tension and stress. So reducing mental tension through meditative asanas, obesity can be reduced. Point, improves health. हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिया है हेल्दी बॉडी के अंदर. सो योगा हेल्प इन मेंटेनिंग एंड इम्प्रूविंग हेल्दी बाय मेकिंग आवर मसल्स स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड रिड्यूसिंग regulating other system of body such as respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system. It increases the efficiency. It increases efficiency of the system in our body. It improves health. 12th point is enhance moral and ethical values. Now, it makes an individual strong morally and ethically. Now, all these points shows yoga is significant for mankind, especially in the present day life. An individual can attain health and can lead a happy, contained, exhilarate and productive life if he performed yoga or yogic exercise regularly in their life.